Hi, my name's Ben and I'm from QED Labs. Today, I'm going to show you how you can be using the latest agentic AI software to save you and your team up to 90% of their time when handling common maintenance requests. We'll start by going through how residents can raise a request. That request can then get triaged, and if required, a works order or a ticket raised that gets assigned to a contractor, the quote validated, the contractor scheduled, and then that job managed through to its successful completion, all without a property manager having to get involved. So let's jump in and start with showing you how a resident can raise a request. In this example, I'm going to use WhatsApp, but you can choose to keep using email, phone, or any other channel you would like for your residents to raise requests. I've chosen WhatsApp as it's typically residents' favorite way to communicate, given they already have the app and know how to message and upload images and videos. As you can see, the AI agent already knows my name. This is done by adding resident and building data to the platform, or more commonly by integrating with your property management system, such as Cube or Propman. The QED Labs agent will now try and ask clarifying questions as it tries to triage the issue, either resolving it with me or by raising a reported issue with the right level of prioritization in the admin portal. These questions are generated in real time using AI and are specific to the exact issue that is being raised. It also analyzes any images in real time and uses these to improve the questions that are asked. It's a good time to note here that you can configure the system to follow your own policies and procedures. For example, any tasks that are tenant responsibility or your own levels of prioritization. The agent will now successfully raise the issue in our system. Our communication channel with the resident on WhatsApp remains open for us to ask further clarifications if needed, or the resident can ask and provide updates. Now let's pop over to the admin portal and find our reported Misty window. You can see firstly that we land on a dashboard page showing the current overview of all our repair and maintenance issues, including breakdowns by severity, and remember you can set your own thresholds, and even the number of no-touch jobs completed by our AI agent, in this case 96%. The next item in the left-hand menu is your SLA adherence, allowing the organisation to clearly monitor performance and track improvement measures put in place. The next section in the menu is where we'll find our newly reported issue for our Misty window that we raised earlier on in the demo. Issues get tracked through to closure from left to right using our intuitive Kanban board layout. QED provides easy-to-use filters, allowing the user to quickly locate issues based off assignee, contractor, severity, category, scope, building, and unit. If I now search for our early issue number, we'll find that our ticket's there, ready for us to action. Key data such as issue priority, building location, allocated personnel, and no progress indicators are highlighted on the issue cards. By clicking into the issue card, I can now see additional information, as well as assign an engineer, reply to the tenant, or change the priority. For now, if I choose to assign the job to a contractor, you can see a list of approved contractors and cost codes within the platform. These can be entered manually or pulled in, as they are done more regularly through our API integrations into other solutions such as Cube and Propman. You can see scheduled completion and response times provided as well, along with the ability to add notes when assigning the job. Once the job is assigned, the contractor will receive an email asking to confirm pricing and book an attendance slot. You can choose to have the quote approved by the AI agent based on thresholds that you set, or use our knowledge base to help provide estimates and ranges for it to approve, or you can manually approve them by your team. Once the job is assigned, the agent will continue to manage the task through to validation, at which point the contractor submits their proof of work and the residents who raised the issue confirm they're happy with the result. The proof of work can be verified against the attached purchase order and moved to completed by your team or our AI agent. Lastly, our agent will help provide a quality feedback loop, updating a contractor leaderboard ensuring the best contractors are on the job. Thank you for taking the time to watch the demo. To learn more, please head to qedlabs.co.uk.